Good morning, it's Friday, November the 13th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, it's Friday. It means we're heading off into the weekend. Another first. It was the first Thursday night game for the NFL this season. It was Chicago versus San Francisco. Terrible game, folks. Hopefully next Thursday's game will be much better. Cutler, buddy, I don't know, maybe it's time for you to give it up. Now, let's get down to business. I've got two press releases coming out of the Canadian side, two out of the U.S. side, and I've got some halts to report on. So without any further ado, let's get down to it. Actually, before we get down to it, quick reminder, the AGORACOM Online Gold and Commodities Conference taking place December 3rd and 4th from the convenience of your own home or office. Get to watch some great speakers, learn about some new companies here on AGORACOM 100% free. So mark that in your calendars, December 3rd and December 4th. Now, let's get down to it. Lead story comes out of a company called Metanor Resources. Trades on the venture under the symbol MTO. The company is announcing new results, drilling campaign currently underway on their Barry property, which is located in Quebec. We got some pretty good numbers coming out of the company. Hole number 444 returned 38.4 meters, grading 3.13 grams per ton of gold. A little bit about the company. They're a junior gold producer, presently pouring Dore gold bars at its 100% owned Bachelor Lake facility in Quebec. Last at 48.5 cents, high of 89 cents, low of 30 cents, market cap of $36 million. Moving on to the U.S. side. I lied to you at the beginning. I've got one Canadian and three U.S. Searchlight Minerals trades on the bulletin board under the symbol SRCH. The company has announced a private placement of securities to certain accredited investors. It looks like they've closed a private placement worth approximately $15 million. The unit value is $125. And this company looks like they're involved in precious metals and gold. So once again, Searchlight Minerals raising a substantial amount of money through a private placement, $15 million. Looks like they've just closed it. Company's last at $1.70, high of $2.90, low of 80 cents, and a market cap of $181 million. Now, moving over to China Valves Technology, they trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CVVZ. The company is announcing third quarter results for the quarter ended September 30th, 2009. Net revenues were $28 million, an increase of 30% year over year. Gross profit was $13.7 million, an increase of 60% year over year, and net income was $3.8 million. A little bit about the company. They're involved in the development, manufacture, and sale of high-quality metal valves for the electricity, petroleum, chemical, water, gas, and metallurgy industries. They're last at $8.99, high of $10, low of $240, and a market cap of approximately $282 million. And finally, China Nutrifruit Group, they trade on the New York Stock Exchange Amex under the symbol CNGL. We've got some more financial results for the year ended September 30th, 2009. Second quarter highlights include net sales increased 17% to $19.3 million. Gross profit increased 24% to $9.7 million. And net income increased 27% year over year to $6.4 million. A little bit about the company. They're involved in the developing, processing, marketing, and distributing of a variety of food products processed primarily from premium specialty products grown in China. Company's last at $3.11, high of $5, low of $1, market cap of $112 million. Now, getting on to the halts. Yaletown Capital Corp. trades on the venture under the symbol YCC.P. halted pending news. We've got Aztec Energy on the venture under the symbol AZT.H, halted pending news. And finally, First Point Minerals Corp on the venture trades under the symbol FPX, halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I hope you all have a tremendous weekend. Get a chance to watch a little bit of football. It's starting to get a little more exciting. Big game this weekend. New England and Indy should be a good matchup. Brady and Peyton Manning. That's it for me. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you here on Monday.